Yes.
Yeah, this is doing this again. Even though I won't be doing it for a while because the paint guy's coming, daggone it. Anyway.
There it is, people.
This is the clock. Because that thing was about ready to hit the clock.
Yes.
Yeah, at first it didn't hit the clock, but it didn't hit the hands. Like, if you guys watched, you guys remember last week when it hit the clock?
Yes, and it moved my hands.
I was just telling them just in case.
We're going in the same spot.
Like it was there.
It didn't.
Yeah, sometimes
Guess what I have to get, people? The yardstick, because
Did the camera show what it hit?
yes, it was a good one actually.
Where did it go?
Behind the cabinet. I have the yardstick because I can't. You know what?
$2,749. I'm price is right.
Oh my. There, Bryce, bend down and get it.
Why do you have to even go down all the daggone time to get the dragon? Huh?
You're
Yeah.
younger than me. Oh wow, what was that called?
This is that.
That's behind. Took some leaves off, people. There's a couple leaves. There you go. You can see them.
On Thursday, there's some leaves on the ground still, or?
I know. Yeah,
Oh, from last week, you kept some on the ground.
I did.
I'm surprised you didn't pick them up last week.
In between our shoes.
I'm surprised you didn't pick up the leaves from last week.
Well, why should I?
Oh, I was just saying, I'm surprised that you. Well, I don't give a crap if it stays down there. See that one?
Yep, got it.
I got one. Ready?
Go. Oh,
Where'd that go?
right in front of the window.
Yeah, earlier that thing whacked on the window
I
hard.
know.
Good thing it wasn't so hard, otherwise the marks would be everywhere. Look at the mirror still. Oh, I can get that
It's
one.
on the back of the couch. I think you can get that too if you go around.
Yeah, I think I'll go.
No, go that
God,
way.
quit it.
Oh.
Supposedly
Well, I thought you were going to get it.
I am. That's why I went over
It's in the backpack.
the back, all the way
Here,
over
you got
there.
it.
Good thing I didn't go under the couch. I had to get the yardstick and get it. Huh?
Yeah.
Otherwise, we didn't get the freaking yardstick.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that one went straight up. Bro,
Yeah.
where we at?
3:15 already.
I know it goes fast when you do them videos.
I know.
Oh, great.
Aunt Amy, hold on.
Grandma.
I'll stop that. Hold
This
on.
time, this is going to be crazy.
Ooh.
So you're trying to get my...
Clock, because that came right out in front.
I like hit the wall. Not like hit the wall, but like scraped around the wall.
Yep.
Watch this one.
I thought that was going to go up to the loft, people. Oh, no.
Yeah, she was afraid we were going to go upstairs.
I know.
I'll probably make it dizzy on there.
Ugh. Oh, right in front of my art
By your what?
work.
That one flew all the way to... That thing flew...
It flew and then smacked back
I
down.
had it right there and it just flew all the way to the kitchen.
I know.
Landed right there. That was freaking funny.
Oh, bumped the TV, bumped the sofa table, back on the floor. That was a good one.
Good thing there's no mark on the TV.
Eh,
Good thing
better
there's...
not be. I have to be ready to get all that cleaned
Well,
up.
that big one would make a mark because it makes marks on the TV.
I know it. That's not good. Bryce! Quit hitting it.
Bet you stopped for coffee after too, didn't you? Wow. You realize owls have sensitive hearing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's funny.
It's out like Christian LaFosse has
Yeah, I need at mom's house too.
I know.
It's America's best.
get that one.
You sure can.
That thing just went by. Just use it. I don't know why that is.
Help prevent discomfort from gas. With Beano, taking right before meals, it makes healthy gas, causing foods easier to digest. Take Beano before and Beano gas.
You see that?
Yes. Oh, Bryce, that snapped right into the hands.
Does it change it?
It's 12:12. It's perfect still. Whew. That scared me. That was a close call.
Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1.
Oh man, you're banging up my house.
Did I put another mark?
Bryce.
Hey, did I put another mark on the wall?
Yeah, it's a bad one.
Is that a new one?
Gee.
Is that
Yes,
it?
that's a new one.
Say painter.
Painter.
So there's a guy named Bryce.
I'm at 4. We better turn it off.
Why?
I'll
Oh.
go to 416 and stop.
What time is it now?
407.
Okay, 3, 2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay.
Nice.